What's going on, crypto people? What? Solution. One of many to the challenges with the Ethereum gas fees. I really thought the world was coming to an end with all the proof of work don't work stuff. I'm so glad. I'm so happy to realize that the world's not coming to an end. In every situation, you do not have to pay the Ethereum gas fee. Not at all of them. ZK roll-ups is an answer. A little bit better than Arbitrum, a little bit better than Optimism. We're gonna get into that. It's time to silence that noise of proof of work don't work stuff. It's a freaking distraction. Goodness gracious. We'll get into it. Big time. Life is good. College basketball is on. Life is good. Let's get into Argent and ZkSync. I think you're gonna like it. All right, guys. Listen, this is your XRP Ripple daily news. Around 0 to 10 minutes. At around 0 to 10 minutes. So let's do this, guys. You know, there's a lot of talk and a lot of noise around proof of work don't work. And look, we all get the Ethereum gas fees. We all get the madness that is ETHgate. But ETHgate is not on the developers. ETHgate is not on those who, you know, had an incredible idea and use cases for Ethereum. That's not on it, right? That's not on the developers. The miners, well, that may be a different story. They're playing the game that's presented to them. But I tell you, like I've always said about this proof of work banter, this proof of work noise that we keep hearing from YouTubers, the bottom line is that since it's technology, the technology will afford itself to be improved upon, or people will just come up with other solutions like layer 2s, if you will. Now, look, Ethereum's moving to proof of stake. When it's going to get there, who knows? Who knows? Because unfortunately, the system is set up for the miners to not want to be in a hurry to get there. But that doesn't mean that solutions to that problem and challenges will not come to the digital asset space, right? In fact, they have already. And it is in the realm of ZK rollup. Everyone's familiar with ZK rollup, ZK snarks, right? We get it. I just discovered a wallet that uses something called ZkSync. I'm going to share that with you guys, but it is in that. It's in that neighborhood. It's in that ZK rollup. It is a ZK rollup. I was on an exchange today that utilizes the ZkSync, which obviously is ZK rollups. I'm paying 10 cents and 20 cents to move Ethereum around. Let me say that again. I'm paying 10 cents and 20 cents to move Ethereum around. Right? Now, never mind the whole phantom thing and the whole avalanche thing. Never mind those platforms. Never mind the Terra Luna ecos, where you don't have to participate in Ethereum. What's going on there? There's always solutions. These layer 2s, these ZKs are solutions. I'm going to share with you a little bit about the Argent wallet, my experience with it. But don't listen to that noise. You know, proof of work don't work and all that kind of madness, because there's always solutions. And it's cool to point out a problem. But if you're not willing to point to solutions, like we have been doing on this channel with Arbitrum and Optimism and Phantom, just to name a few, then you're just making noise. You're making noise to promote the thing that you hold. in the technology that you've invested in. That's what you're doing. So in any case, I just wanted to share some stuff with you guys. The Argent wallet, the best of Ethereum at a fraction of the cost. You can buy, earn, stake, and trade on Ethereum Layer 2 with low fees and bulletproof security. Now, I downloaded the Argent wallet some time ago, maybe about 3 weeks ago, and hadn't really messed around with it and decided to play with it a little bit today. Not much, 50, 60 bucks, not a whole lot. I want to see what's going on. Want to see what's going on. So I'm glad that I did, because Argent led me to ZkSync. I'm like, what is this ZkSync technology? Tell me about it. Tell me about this thing here. So you can download the Argent app on Google and Apple Store. It says if you own an asset here, you can earn by staking, earn 5% by staking ETH, earn up to 50% on USDC and DAI, buy card bank transfers. Now, once you start getting into this bank card and credit card stuff, got to check fees, right? So I am on the bank card deal, right? I don't mess around with credit cards, right? Trade tokens and tap, yep. Low fees, high speeds. Earn up to 100x cheaper fees than Ethereum. 100x cheaper fees. Somebody moved 36 bucks, cost them 92 cents there. As an example, low fees, high speed, 100x cheaper fees than Ethereum, thanks to ZkSync's Layer 2 network. It's a couple of Layer 2 networks that probably a lot of people in the XRP community haven't heard, because it's too much, probably because it's just too much noise going on with proof of work don't work, and no one's looking into stuff. No one's looking for solutions and presenting them to the community, besides Mickey B. Fresh and Patty XRP. Other than that, everyone else is just making noise. Learn about ZkSync, right? So you can learn about what that is, ZkSync here. And I'm going to go to some stuff there. Earn on ETH if you want to do that. Invest, stake, and earn. Easily earn up to 50% interest on your crypto through our partners at Yearn, Lido, and GRO. These are protocols: Yearn protocol, Lido protocol, and GRO protocol. So they're just tapped into them, right? That's all it is. I've checked out Yearn. I've checked out Lido. I have not used the GRO protocol, right? Trusted by crypto leaders. There's some people here, and that's cool. We're going to learn a little bit more about it. Buy crypto on Layer 2. Use your card, bank transfer, or Apple Pay with very low fees. Again, don't chase the gain with your rent money. Let the gain come to you, right? So test this thing out. You can test out 20 bucks, 10 bucks probably. Yeah, 10 bucks. Fees are nothing. Right? Trade for less, trade tokens for fees as low as $1. I haven't got up to $1 or anything. Bulletproof security, easy to recover. Okay, that's awesome. Here's some people that have used it and some stuff there. Hey, Argent, just tried moving funds from ZkSync. It's super smooth. The UX and UI is simple yet so fantastic. That was December 2021. Another December of 2021. Just downloaded and installed and funded the Argent wallet. Absolutely wonderful experience from start to finish. This is something my mom could use. Yep, that's the idea, right? Got to bring the masses into the space. Send some ETH from ZkSync wallet on Layer 2 for 37 cents. ZK makes it all okay, friends. WAGMI. I wish I knew what that was. I don't know what WAGMI is. That bad? All right, so another person. The UX on ZkSync Layer 2 with Argent is phenomenal. Like if you listen to certain YouTubers, you would think that the world is coming to an end because of Ethereum. Now, I'm not talking about Joseph Lubin. That dude is just not great. Sold out the decentralized world and tried to own the market. I'm not talking about him and his stuff. I'm talking about technology. Technology will get better. Proof of work concept has already gotten better. How's it gotten better? How did the proof of work concept get better? Proof of stake came along. A solution to proof of work came along. Without proof of work, there would be no XRP ledger and XRP. Like a lot of people don't understand that. Right? Because those dudes who were original Bitcoin developers like David Schwartz, Arthur Brittle, Jed and Caleb, freaking Stefan Thomas, original, Bitcoin developers said, you know what, we can do something better than what's currently going on Bitcoin, and came up with this thing. Byzantine agreement, consensus algorithm, solution to a challenge. Why? Because it's technology. Right? So the UX and Z with regards to it is phenomenal. Also make sure to do at least a few trades on it through the Zigzag exchange. I went and checked out Zigzag. Pretty cool. Yeah, I'm going to show you my transaction on Zigzag, moving ETH for less than $1. And can you imagine an Ethereum transaction for less than $1? Don't listen to the noise. Seek out solutions. Seek out solutions, man. Seek out the solutions. Just staked on Grow protocol using Argent wallet. Fast, seamless. Now I got to figure out how to connect these decentralized protocols, because I could not figure it out on the app how to connect. But that's me, right? That's user error. So I have to figure out how to do that. But I have not as of yet, but I will. It's pretty smooth. Again, it's a lot of tapping and tapping. I like that. Very simple to use. Buy crypto from an exchange, from another wallet, from an Argent user. How cool is that? If I hit from an exchange, all right, we're partnered with Layer2 to enable layerswap.io, layerswap.io. We partner with Layer2 to enable buying crypto with a credit card, debit card, or Google Pay. I can use your bank card. You can use your bank card rather if you got the Visa logo on it, right? So I'll play around a little bit more with that. I forget how I got my stuff on here, my $50 on here. I don't even remember what I did, but it was smooth. I think, I sent some Ethereum from KuCoin to the wallet. Yep, sent some Ethereum from KuCoin to the wallet. So let me see, just staked on the Grow protocol using Argent wallet, fast, seamless, and affordable. I'm impressed. Been using Argent for 2 years now, and I'm a big fan. Yes, indeed. So in any case, this one here, this January 5th of 2022 being recent, the reason why they're mentioning doing some trades on the exchange is always these possibilities of these airdrops, right? Participation, that's the name of the game. So the Cosmos ecosystem is absolutely outstanding for if you participate, if you stake, if you provide liquidity, they just bless you with some stuff. So whether it be on Cosmos or whether it be on Osmosis or whether it be on Juno, I know they got some issues going on down there. They provide these airdrops for using the platform. ZkSync is doing the same thing. Participation, the Zigzag exchange plugs into, utilizes this technology, ZkSync. Makes sense? So, I did one trade, I did 2 trades, I think I did, right? For participation. Remember, the active participation helps these platforms that are new in the beginning get better. That's why you don't put your rent money, you don't put your freaking, right? You don't put your 401k on there if you got one of those golden olden forms of financial products. If you got one of them, right? You don't want to put that on there. But test it out, see what's going on. So let me talk a little bit about ZkSync. I keep saying ZkSync, it's ZkSync. I'm going to talk a little bit about it. You can go to zinc.io. ZkSync.io. One of these days, I'm going to say that correctly. ZkSync, like in short for synchronization.io. Right? Here it is here. Pretty interesting technology. It says the ZkSync version 2 is now on testnet. Learn more. I have not played with the testnet. Not a big fan of the whole testnet stuff. So rely on math, not validated. ZkSync solves Ethereum scalability with 0 security compromises. I get it. I know. Flare Networks I get it. I know. I'm a big fan of Flare Network, but it ain't here yet. Right? So in order to participate, we got to find out what stuff is kind of available. Curve, the people from Curve are saying ZK rollups are extremely secure, even with a single validator, as they rely on pure math. So some user docs here, and you can go right up here to the top. It says ZK Tools. It's some docs if you want to learn more about it. You can go to ZK Tools, and it has the ecosystem, it has the wallet, it has the checkout, it has the Explorer, and different things like that, right? So I did get the wallet, hooked that up, and started that. But I really want to talk to you guys about the exchange and kind of share an exchange that is using the technology. This exchange is called Zigzag Exchange. Zigzag Exchange. Zigzag. Here it is right here. So you can trade, you can bridge, and the bridging is basically layer 2, layer 1, your wallet, layer 1 to the layer 2, right? So like a MetaMask wallet, that type of thing right there. And you can see here, ZkSync, top right here says ZkSync. If I could get 1,000 XRP for every time I said ZkSync instead of ZkSync, man, that would be awesome. So it says it's the mainnet here, ZkSync mainnet. You connect your wallet, you just connect your MetaMask wallet, and you make some transactions. Now, I did a transaction for just a small amount here. It's very, again, if you're used to using exchanges and trading, it's just really very, very simple. Spot trading, you got the limits, and you got your markets, or right, that you trades that you can make. Very, very simple, easy, very, very simple and easy to use, right? So let me show you an example of a transaction that I did here earlier today. All right, so here it is right here. I swap, right, which is a trade. I bought some USDC with my Ethereum, right? It says from and from here. And these are probably the people somewhere allowing this liquidity to have been added. By the way, the Zigzag Exchange got some major liquidity from the Terra Luna ecosystem. Major, tens of millions. That's got to tell you something. So it says here, here's the amount of ETH, and I got $6.20 of USDC, a whole $6. My Ethereum fee was 0.000045. That was about 2 hours ago I did that. So let's go over to the trusted calculator and see what that is. Let me copy this if it lets me. At current prices. Man, I'll have to, let's see, let me try that again. What happened? Oh, cool. Let's try it again. I got the trusted ETH calculator out. Let's put that 0.000045 in here. See what we get. If I did this correctly, did I copy it correctly? Nope. I did not copy it correctly. Bummer. 0.000045. That says that is 13 cents. What? The Ethereum. This exchange is on a layer 2 on Ethereum. 13 cents. Got some USDC. Yeah, let's look at the trading pairs for a second. Well, what else can you get on this exchange? Let's see. I know that the big deal with this exchange, and I'm going to go to the Zigzag Exchange Twitter, METIS. US Tether is the UST token from Terra Luna, their stable coin. You can get some DAIs and wrap Bitcoin. Let's see what else. Let's see here. Let's do this. So there it is there. Aave, data. Wow, data, really. I had data a long time ago. Aave Comp, UST Ape. That Ape coin. The Ape coin from board Ape Yacht Club. Yeah, no thanks. Matic, Maker, DPI, Phantom. Yeah, these fees are getting very comparable to Phantom on this Layer 2 ZkSync, utilizing this exchange that utilizes the ZkSync ENS keep. I got some of that keep. Yeah, R ETH, is that Anchor ETH or Ren ETH? I think I might be Ren ETH. Toke and Uni. Oh, wait a minute, I didn't go all the way to the bottom here. CNDL, don't know what that is. Binance USD, Binance stablecoin. Solana, Luna, SHIB token, Curve. I mean, I don't know. Anybody interested in using some Curve or some SHIB or some Wrap Bitcoin, some Luna or some Solana? I don't see any polka dots up in here yet. DYDX. Yeah. Right. And again, just be careful who you listen to. Be careful of the noise. It's always going to be solutions to challenges. It's always going to be solutions. I want more options, not less options. Why? Because that benefits you and I, the retail investors, not less options. Less options allows the powers that be, the committee out there called they, old money that doesn't want you to win. It allows them to back you up into a corner when you got less options. We want more options. I mean, it's pretty simple. Pretty simple. So yeah, really excited about this. So I've been using this exchange and I've been using my Argent wallet. I like the exchange. It's fast. It's freaking super quick. I mean, really super quick. Was really excited about that. I think I'm on the Phantom network right now, though. Let's see. Probably am on Phantom. Yeah, between this laptop that's not really a laptop, that's kind of closer to a notebook, and Wi-Fi. If I had hair, yeah. I might not be able to show you guys another transaction here because this wallet is not cooperating. But yeah, Zigzag Exchange, utilizing the technology called ZkSync. ZkSync. That's my MetaMask. Again, wow. Yeah, excited about it. Solution. Switch. Goodness gracious. That thing, I tell you. All right, let's try connect. Let's connect MetaMask. Let's see, not connected yet. Oh, now it's connected, right? Again, look, there's my $6 here. Look on the bottom left, my $6 whole dollars of USDC that I used. And I like it, right? So what does this say here? I'm on the buy, so I could buy some more USDC if I wanted to. I don't have a whole lot of Ethereum left, but let's see. And you know what the other thing about it? You can kind of put any kind of teeny amount on here you want, from what I can tell. Let's do a little. That's less than $1. It says I would get less than $1 USD. Can I get a 50? Can I do a 50-cent transaction? I don't know if I want to do a 50-cent transaction. Let's see. I'm gonna see if I can do like a $1 transaction. I buy $1 worth of USDC. Now, most places, I'm not sure you can do something that small. So let's just see. I don't know. What am I doing? Am I buying or am I gotta buying? Okay, so I'm gonna buy $1 worth of Ethereum. So I'm spending $1 worth of USDC. I think that's how that's working. So I got $6 of USDC, and I'm going to be buying Ethereum. I think that's how it's going to work. So let's see if that transaction will even go through. Order pending. You have to sign. Now, if it doesn't go through, look at MetaMask. If it doesn't go through, it's because it's not big enough of an amount. I have the Ethereum, so we'll see. your buy order was filled. There it is. Your buy order was filled. So I got 0.00000045 Ethereum. I spent $1. I spent $1.30 of USDC and got some Ethereum. The Zigzag exchange. Yeah. Now, did I tell you guys more about the Zig? I'm excited about Zigzag exchange. I really, really am. Yeah. Just want to show you that. And then I could check out the transaction. Where's the transaction at? Let's see. It's my orders. There's to fill the last one right here. It says the time, 1600 Central Time, price of Ethereum, quantity, 0.0004 buy. The fee in USDC was 26 cents, I guess. Interesting. So, okay, fee 26 cents. So I spent 26 cents for this transaction. So I can click here to view the transaction. Do this. 26 cents. Spent $1.30. Spent 26 cents. Okay, and there it is, the dollar amount. So total was $1.56 because of the fee here. So this fee, 0.0000834. Let's go to the calculator. 834. 834. 24 cents. I'm just excited that the world's not coming to an end because of proof of work. I mean, I'm thrilled. The proof of work is not going to be the end all. It's not going to do us in. Yeah, so that is really, really cool, guys. So there it is. Zigzag exchange. Do your homework. Argent.xyz. Argent, that's for the wallet. If you're interested in getting kind of the mobile wallet, you don't need it to participate over here. But you do need a wallet. An Ethereum wallet. I like the Argent wallet. I like the security on the Argent wallet. I like that. It's really, 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 really secure. Really like that. No pass phrases, seed phrases, and stuff like that. You know, kind of like the Bifrost and the Zum, and if you will. I think Zum's no phrases as well, right? They're numbers. So I like that Argent.xyz, guys. Let's go to the Twitter page for ZkSync. Here it is here, and they got a ZkSync.io. Really, really like what they're doing. Really, really like what they're doing there. And so they have a Twitter, and they have what is this? This is Twitter, Telegram, and then you can email them. They got a Medium, and they have a Discord as well. I was on this Discord earlier today, learning more about it. I'm looking into becoming an ambassador for the program. Just excited about the fact that they do have something. Really, really excited about that. There was a Twitter page that I wanted to share with you guys, talking about the liquidity kind of coming on here. February 22nd, a couple months ago, rollups, ZK rollups capable of general computation, often considered key to Ethereum's endgame. But a year ago, leading researchers believed we were many years away. Today, we're launching the first EVM compatible ZK rollup on public testnet. That was in February, which is really, really, really cool. And another platform building on ZkSync, the Fazan protocol on there as well. Shout out to them. Babylon Finance, Block Wallet, Numio is ready to hook up on there as well. But I wanted to show you the Terra Luna thing. So there was a proposal to bring the UST ecosystem, which is Terra Luna stablecoin, on here, and it passed. Immunified. It sounds very, very familiar. Oh, that's the bounty program. They did a bounty. Index Co-op, very, very popular in the Ethereum space, is making the jump to ZkSync. That was on March 15th. Okay. Our ZkSync Polygon bridge is live, so you can switch over from Polygon. The bridge address is this: sending ETH on ZkSync or wrapped ETH on Polygon to that address will trigger a bridge on the other side. Do not send any other tokens to the bridge. Sending ETH on ZkSync or wrapped ETH on Polygon. So I'm gonna keep that. Because this would be, if this bridge is, number one, cheaper, and number two, faster, that Polygon bridge, holy moly, that thing takes time. I think 30, 45 minutes, 2 days, up to a day and a half. So it takes a lot of time to get there. So this is, I'm going to keep this address here. Let's see how that works. Our ZkSync Polygon bridge is live. Cool. So I like that, but I want to share with you guys the word of the liquidity that they got. Maybe it was from the Zap exchange. I'm right. It was from the Zap exchange, the Zigzag exchange on Twitter. Like the exchange 2 hours ago. Now tradable on our decentralized exchange, the 8 protocol, the 8 token. 100 million plus volume on Uniswap. Let's move some of that volume to ZkSync. So we got the 8 in ETH and 8 in UST. That's very, very cool. That just happened. So maybe I'll go get some 8 there. At least I don't have to worry about the freaking fees. Let's see. Let me share this with you because guys head off. My game is ready to come on. The lunatics have spoken. The Terra lunatics have spoken. 25 million UST has been added to the Zigzag market makers. Furthermore, Zigzag's market makers have removed liquidity from all USDC and USDT pairs, except Terra Luna USDC, Terra Luna USDT, so people can still swap between them. We are now fully focused on listing UST pairs. Shout out. Yeah, it was the proposal right there. Community spin proposal 320D provide additional UST liquidity. It's just something about the decentralized stables like UST, like USDN, that the masses are moving to. Don't keep telling me about all these centralized options. I mean, pumping circle, cool. Centralized, shut down capability by the powers that be whenever they want to do it. Yeah, just ask the people, certain people who were asking Tether to stop providing. Well, it's more than the bad guys that want to use Tether. What about the good people that want to use it? We also received an additional 25 million in ETH and wrapped BTC liquidity to support the 25 million UST from Terra Money's community pool. Terra went in on this exchange that is operating, the Zigzag exchange that is operating with the ZkSync technology. I want to look into these index coops as well, but I want to share that with you guys. So again, don't listen to the noise. Don't listen to the proof of work, blah, 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 blah stuff. And a solution doesn't make crap. There's always a solution. You just have to find it. You got to be willing to not be biased on your technology and be open to other technology because it's out there. It's out there. So I thank you for pointing out the challenges. I'm here to not only point out the challenges, but also to point out the solutions. Do your homework, guys. Look into ZkSync. Look into the Zigzag exchange. They got Twitter, right? You'll be pleasantly surprised. And the move from the quote unquote layer 2, which is the Zigzag exchange, to the layer 1, which is your regular wallet, it's just tap of a button. Again, 20 cents. Just tap of a button to get it there. If you need to take it and put it somewhere else, if you need to. If God forbid, you got to go into that dirty, nasty fiat world. But if you have to, If you have to, you can do it. All right, guys, listen, I'm going to end this video. I could do all my videos and remind you guys of this. That old money doesn't want you to win, but that's okay, though, because you and I are already winning. Have a great rest of the day, guys. I'll talk to you soon. See ya. Bye.